In this video, I'll show you how to create a unique succulent planter through a few simple steps. Let's get right to it. I'll start with a basic ceramic pot that I'll secure tightly to the table with a few clamps. I'm using my rotary tool with a diamond-covered cutting blade to slice my way through the pot. The pattern you cut out will depend on how you want to arrange your plants. This will be a messy job, so it's important to use both protective eyewear and a dust mask. As this is freehand cutting without any type of guide rail, try not to turn the tool as you make the incisions with the blade. This could result in the blade snapping off, or worse, an injury to yourself. I'm just going to lift and lower the tool repeatedly as I go around and cut the pattern. Just take your time and let the blade do all the work. This little clamp will help me remove the cutout with a little persuasion. Sanding down these surfaces is a good idea, as the cutting blade has left very sharp edges. As for the plants, I'm using a variety that I bought in small bunches. I only need a few, so I'll carefully work the soil loose around the roots and remove individual plants one at a time. Next, I'll add some soil to the bottom of the pot, up to the point where my cutout starts. The soil should be a porous sandy mix that allows for good drainage. As I add each plant, I'll want to compact the soil enough to secure the roots of the new plant. A little water can help with this process. I'm going to incorporate the cutout piece of pot into this setup by pressing it down through the soil in the middle. Behind this, I'll remove a little soil and add both a taller plant and a smaller one just off to one side. The final touches for this planter will be some small gravel stones to cover the topsoil. I'm going to use some brighter colored ones, but you can use whatever you prefer. A few little rock features and we're all done. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and give this little planter a try. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.